Hello and welcome to Code Havocs. So in this video we're going to be diving into the process of making an Android persistent payload using Metasploit, and additionally we're also going to use a script alongside. So follow me up with the video. So we're gonna start. Over here I'm about to open up the terminal, and now that I'm here I'm gonna type msf console. And once it loads up, I'm just going to check for PostgreSQL database, just my personal preference, and well, that's being clear. I'm going to split the terminal horizontally just to generate our payload using MSF Venom. So we're going to use MSF Venom-P per option payload with Android interpreter reverse TCP, and we're going to type lhost, which is going to be your Kali machine's IP address. So this is going to be local IP address. We're going to paste over here, and lport of your choosing, and once you're done with that, we're going to now set the output file name as payload.apk into our desktop. So it's okay, we're done with that, and we're gonna get over to desktop. As you can see, we got a payload.apk. Now we're gonna type sudo and copy it into our var www.html downloads folder, which I had created. So set the password, type the password, and we're going to now list out the downloads folder. So as you can see over there, we got a payload.apk ready. Now we're going to check our Apache 2 service. So it's running, but I'm going to just to be sure, I'm going to restart it. Okay, that's clear. Now we're done with that. I'm going to exit that terminal. Now we're going to get back to our MSF console over here, and we're going to type use exploit multi-handler to set the listener. Okay, so now I'm going to type set payload Android interpreter reverse TCP. Now that we're done with that, show options. So the only thing we're missing here is our lhost. The L port is correct, so we're going to set the lhost to the same IP address that we found using ifconfig. Now we're going to hit enter, and then we're going to type run. Now here on my phone, as you can see, the virtual emulated device. So I'm going to type the IP address of the Kali machine, and I'm going to get to downloads folder and then payload.apk. I'm going to hit enter. Now I'm going to click next, install, done, and I'm going to open it up. As you can see, we got the session. So that's not enough. We need to get it persistent, because if we exit it out, the interpreter session will die and you will not get the connection back. So when I type sysinfo, you can see the Android device information, and when I type help, you can see all the instructions. So I'm going to test out the SMS. If you want it to see, I'm just going to show it to you. So as you can see, we got the number and the SMS. So that same thing is going to be displayed on our Kali machine's terminal of our MSF console. So we're going to type dump SMS. For that, we're going to copy the file that we received. So we're going to background the session, and we're going to type cat and paste that. Okay, as you can see over here, it's the same message that is displayed over there on the phone. This is how you can retrieve SMSs. So now that it's done, we're going to type sessions-l. You can see the active session, which we're going to interact now with -i option. So when I get back over here, I'm going to go to desktop. Now we're going to run our Android persistent script. So we're going to get over to persistent version 2.sh file. So you're going to have to copy this code. So I'm going to give you some time. You can pause the video. This is the one you need to copy. and you're going to save the file as persistent v2.sh or any name you want. And over here on the interpreter session now, we're going to run that script, but now first I'm going to background it. This is going to be the script, and we're going to get to desktop. Over here I'm going to locate that persistent version 2.sh. So I'm going to get to sessions again. Now this file we're going to upload. I had to locate myself first. So now that I'm done locating, we're going to get to our SD card. Okay, I made a mistake there with the space. Don't put space. So I'm just going to go to download and I'm going to run it there inside the folder. And I'm going to upload the persistent, but I'm going to check first. Okay, so I already tried this process before, so I'm going to remove that file and the payload.apk as well, because just to show you how it's done with the rm commands. So no entries anymore, so I'm going to upload it. So I'm going to go scroll up and copy that name, and the file name has been copied. Now I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to upload it inside the download storage. So now it's done uploading inside the virtual Android device. I'm going to get the shell. As you can see over there is the file. So I'm going to run it with sh command, and I'm going to paste the name of the file. And I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to type Ctrl+Z to background the channel by typing Y later on after typing Ctrl+Z. So now I'm going to background the session again. Now I'm just going to show you how it works. Now, even if we kill the interpreter session, it should give us a connection. As you can see over here when I type run, we not only got one session, but we got two automatically without even clicking on the application of the Android device. That is the MainActivity. So we got a session. So I'm going to kill all of the sessions just to show you again that it works without any click needed by the user to open the application in order to get the connection. We're going to type run. So as you can see, it's already sending the stage, and now we got the session. Not only one, two again. Okay, so I'm going to type enter now. Okay, there's our interpreter session. You can also type question mark instead of help. Just to make it clear, I'm just gonna go back more. Okay, so question mark. So as you can see, all the instruction and the commands that you can use through the question mark or maybe the help commands. So this is how you get it. You can experiment the rest by yourself. So I'm going to exit the interpreter session. So as you can see, another session we got again, which we had. Okay, so I'm going to kill all the sessions. So no jobs. I'm going to go back. I'm going to quit the MSEP console. If you got any questions, make sure to leave it down in the comment section, and I would really be glad to help you out. And feel free. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Also, please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel to get updated with more contents like this. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.